Let's understand the layouts in Android Studio. I created a new project called Layout App, and let's move to the activity_main.xml file, remove the text view, and let's replace the constraint layout, which is the root element of this file, with the linear layout. Click enter, and here we go. Always when you create a new layout file, linear, constraint, relative, or whatever the layout is, keep these or write these 3 lines in order to get the tools and to link it with link XML with Android. These are not very important to deep dive into them because these are just the codes to link the linear layout or the layout you create with Android. Now, here are the parameters, the layout width and the layout height. The layout width is set to match parent, which means the linear layout will take up the full width of its parent container. Layout height is match parent also, that it will take up the full height of its parent container. If I switch it to wrap content, you can see it wraps the content, which means the height of the linear layout will adjust to fit its child views. The context is the main activity. I am linking it with the main activity. Now, let's start creating the views inside this linear layout. I'll start with text view. So we created these 2 text views inside this linear layout. You can see that text number 1 is near to text number 2. If I need to arrange these texts in different orientation, I'll use orientation attribute in linear layout. Click vertical, and you can see that the text views are arranged vertically. If I create another text view here, you can see that the text view or the text number 3 is added vertically under number 2. So the linear layout arranges the views in a single row or column, depending on the orientation you set. This is the orientation. If I change it to horizontal, you can see text number 1, text number 2, and text number 3. But here, the texts are very big. I'll reduce them to 18 SP, 18 SP, and 18. You can see text number 1, text number 2, and text number 3 are arranged in one row because the orientation is horizontal. If I change it to vertical, it will change it to vertical way and arrange them into one single column.